Hello, it's Jim from the Early Birds. It's been a while, so I thought I'd better make a video and let you know what we've been up to. We've been busy for the last few weeks with a programmer making this program. It's called leadpageplus. We've decided not to brand it the Early Birds because we have the system. I have a few leaders already involved, and obviously they want to brand themselves and not the Early Birds. They've got their own teams. So this was we did it like this, so it would go more viral and be more accessible for different teams. So this is the sales page where you'll send your prospects. There's a short video there, some description and what have you. It's a free tool. It can be used as free. There's an upgraded version which is $10 a month or $60 a year. That fee goes to the programmer, not the Early Birds or anybody else. It's not an affiliate product as such, but the guy has built this from scratch and he hasn't charged any money, so he has to make an income from it from somewhere. It costs money to put it on a server and build the system, so that's basically his reward for doing all the work that he's done. So I'm pretty, once you see what you've got in the background, I think it's pretty fair. So once you send your prospects to your sales page, click continue. They'll fill in this form, and this will, once if you follow the instructions in the video, from this video and in the back office, it'll capture these people's names and email addresses in your traffic wave system. So I'm already a member, but I'll just log in. As you can see, it's pretty clean. We didn't want to complicate too much. So the step one, if you just read that over, the first thing you have to do in the system is update your links. So you'll go through Infinity Push, put your links in there, update, Infinity Traffic Boost, same again, update, Bitcoin it up, name, update, then Traffic Wave Autoresponder. This is the most important thing I would say about this whole system. Update your username and ID, and the same for get response. If you haven't got Traffic Wave, just pop over to the home page and join Traffic Wave from this banner. This will give you, it'll give the person who referred you this site, you'll be signing up under them. So once you've signed up to these programs and put in your links, everything on the home page is then associated with your referral link. So when they join this, this is in pre-launch at the minute. We've got another, how many days have we got? So 14 days. This is going to go live. But at the minute, they can always contact you via here. Your email address will be there, so they can always contact you for an access code. But once it goes live, your link will just be embedded on there. Same again there, same here. Traffic Wave and get response. So once you've done that, the next thing you have to do is just pop over here and stick in your autoresponder. You've got a couple, Aweber, get response, Traffic Wave. We're using Traffic Wave system. It's an income tool. I will do a video about Traffic Wave and why we use it and the benefits of it. But I'll do that on a second video, and I'll make that pretty soon. So if you pop in your autoresponder and then your Traffic Wave username and then the nickname of the email campaign. Now below this video I'll put in the email campaign that I've made and the codes you need to import the campaign. It's set up for the Early Birds, so you will have to go, if you're not a part of the Early Birds team, you will have to go and edit the links and the banners and what have you. But it's just give you a start. If you're part of the Early Birds, no problem. Just import it and you're ready to go. Just swap out your links so it's referring them to your system and stick it in your email chain. So once you've done that, just click update and then you're ready to go. So once this is filled in, you set up your email campaign. Anybody who you send to your sales page, they fill in the form and you import them, or by default it'll import them into your Traffic Wave system. So it's a good email list builder as well. And they don't have to spend a cent you've got in your collecting emails. So there's the first benefit of it. The second benefit is it's a downline builder to these programs, downline builder to your traffic wave, and your get response system. So now the main part of the program is creating landing pages. We all need to send people somewhere, and this can be done on the free version. It does have its limits. You've got at the minute. This style is not quite ready yet. It'll be ready in the next, say, a few days, but we'll just go with this one for now. You can create, it's very, very simple to use. You know, you can literally, we'll just do one very quick, we'll call this one Bitcoin it up. I'll just run through it. So page title, this one you can save it. Just for your own notes there, you can save where you want any information, what you want to remind yourself of. Because once you're doing a lot of landing pages, this might be a handy tool for yourself, just for your own reference. Second, where do you want them to go after they've opted in? So I'm just going to go over to Bitcoin it up. This is just an example. I'll just show you how I do it. So I'm going to send them, once they've opted in, they're going to go over here. And I'll just put in there, how can I say this? Lead page. Just as a reference. Now you can use your own autoresponder. Now if you've paid for the yearly or the monthly fee, you can use this. The free version, you can only use the system emails. So autoresponder, you choose, again, this is traffic wave, and then the traffic wave campaign nickname. So the nickname I'm using in my back office at traffic wave is Bitcoin it up. Sorry, I pressed the wrong button there. Bitcoin it up is the nickname for that particular campaign. I'm going to do another video on traffic wave because it's like a whole subject to itself. You can also add the system follow-up, so they'll get two campaigns, whatever campaign you choose here, and they'll get the system campaign about leadpageplus. So it's like a double win situation. Show text, show name, text field. So I will say show the name, and then we've got design. This is where it gets super simple. You can go through these menus. Yes, let me in. You know, you can choose a button, pre-made. You know, there's plenty of options. So we can say yes, get instant access. Then the background. What can we use? Again, you can have a bit play with this. We'll try that background. This is just an example. Form position on the page. So we'll say center, animation button. Yes. You can even add a video, which is quite good. If you do want to add a video, we can just copy the YouTube ID in there. So we'll put that in there. Let's just have a look. I think, if I'll be honest, I'm not really sure if I remember how to do this. I think it's just the last part. I don't think you need the whole thing. We'll test it anyway. Video settings, above the text, below the text, autoplay. So we'll say above the text. And then what text are we going to use? Again, you've got pre-written texts here. You can just have a bit play with it and go through. Or you can choose your own text. And when you choose your own text, you can also add images. So this is something I looked at before. If you just literally click image, and then let's just say that I want to use, let's find an image. Say I want to use that image. So I'll copy the image address, pop back over here. You don't have to download the image or anything like that, just literally pop it in there and then press OK. So just make that a little bit bigger. So that image is now in your capture page. So you can personalize in it. This is quite handy when you've got a lot of teams, different teams. You can brand this capture page system as your own, which is quite good. So we'll just put in here capital tests landing page. center it up. And you can put anything you want in here. You can, change the color of change the styles. You can, change the heading, make it a little bit bigger. Change the text color, just an example, and then press create. But I'm not going to go into detail. We've all got our own artistic impressions, shall we say? So we'll let you have a play with it and see how you get on. Page title. I forgot the title. So there we go. So created. So there's the landing page I've just created, and then we can just view that landing page, and there you go. That's the video what I added from YouTube. Again, you can add whatever you want in here, picture wise, whatever wording, and then click that, fill in the form, get instant access. So we'll just test it. And then it should land on wherever I asked them to go to after this. There you go. So they land on there. So I'm pretty sure we all know how to use a landing page. I just thought I'd give it a little example of how to do it. And again, there will be in the tools section very shortly, there'll be some banners so you can advertise this. You can look. I spoke to the programmer and he's talking about adding some statistics over here. Again, he's been working flat out. The guy's done a great service, and just want to say thanks. But we will be having some sort of statistics over here. But I hope that gives you a good rundown of what it's about. So just a rundown: landing page creator, downline builder, email collection tool, income streams, which is very important. And over long term, this is a good income stream. Bitcoin it up. Again, I'm going to make another video about all these programs over the next few days, so watch out for those. But I hope this video gives you a little bit of an insight on what we're doing, and good luck with it. Cheers.